Let's review this product. Cien Vitality Regenerative Night Cream with calcium, collagen, Q10, and for mature skin. So, let's open first. Ito siya. And let's read. Regenerative Night Cream with calcium, collagen, Q10, and argan oil is perfect for mature skin. Rich facial care, intensive moisture for a radiant appearance. Effect: rich care complex and intensive moisturizing treatment specifically designed for the needs of mature skin. The formula with collagen provides dry mature skin with intensive moisture and improves its elasticity. The extra rich formula with allantoin supports regeneration of the skin during the night. The combination of calcium and argan oil strengthens the skin and ensures a perfect complexion in the morning. Application: in the evening, gently massage the cream after cleansing to face, neck, and décolleté. Skin compatibility dermatologically approved. I recommend all the Cien product, the face cream. They are good product, good quality, good value. So, still sealed. So, first you have to cleanse your face and neck, and after cleansing in the evening, then gently massage it into your face and neck. So, let's open this one. So, mao ni siya. So, let's try. So, once you open it, di na siya bumalik ha. So, I put it in my hands. So, gently massage. So, ito ang result. Tingnan mo pag ganito ang hitsura ng mukha natin. Diba shiny, glowing skin. Walang wrinkle. Bumabata talaga tayo pag ito ang gagamitin natin. So it is highly recommended because I used the face cream product of the Cien. At mabango siya. Kindly comment if you want to ask question. Kindly share this video and subscribe to my channel and like. Thanks for watching. God bless you all.